Welcome to another coding interview guide. Today, we are tackling a popular problem often asked by top tech companies: minimum deletions to make frequency unique. This problem tests your understanding of strings, hash maps, and greedy algorithms. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to solve it efficiently. First, let's understand the definitions. A string is considered good if no two different characters appear the same number of times. For example, if A appears 3 times, no other character should appear exactly 3 times. Our goal is to take any given string and determine the minimum number of characters we need to delete to make it good. Let's look at a concrete example. Consider the string with 3 A's, 3 B's, and 2 C's. If we count the frequencies, we see that A has a frequency of 3, B has a frequency of 3, and C has a frequency of 2. Here lies the problem. Both A and B have a frequency of 3. This violates our rule because frequencies must be unique. To fix this, we must change one of these frequencies. Since we can only delete characters, we can only reduce the frequency count. Our strategy is simple and greedy. We iterate through our frequency counts. If we encounter a frequency that is already taken by another character, we decrement the current character's count, effectively deleting one instance of it. We keep doing this until we find a frequency that isn't used or until the count drops to 0, meaning the character is completely removed. Here is the step-by-step algorithm. Step 1. Count the frequency of every character in the string. Step 2. Iterate through these frequencies. We will use a set data structure to store the frequencies we have already locked in. Step 3. If a current frequency is already in the set, we decrease it by 1 and increment our deletion counter. We repeat this check until the frequency is unique or 0. Let's trace this with our example. First, we process its frequency is 3. Our set of used frequencies is empty, so 3 is not currently used. We add 3 to our set. No deletions are needed yet. Next, we process B, which also has a frequency of 3. We check our set. Is 3 used? Yes, it is, so we must delete 1B. The frequency drops to 2. Now we check. Is 2 used? No, it is not in our set yet, so we lock in 2 and add it to the set. We performed 1 deletion here. Finally, we process C. Originally, it had a frequency of 2. Is 2 used? Yes, we just used it for B, so we must delete 1C. The frequency drops to 1. Is 1 used? No, we add 1 to the set. We performed another deletion here. The total number of deletions is 2. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is O of n plus k log k, where n is the string length and k is the number of unique characters. The O of n comes from counting the characters initially. The adjusting part depends on the number of unique characters. The space complexity is O of k, as we need to store the frequencies in a map or set.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.